Hi, John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm. Today we're going to be talking about how to maximize your inheritance. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And make sure you hit the like button because, hey, every like helps. John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm. To tell you a little bit about myself, I'm the author of Estate Planning for the Modern Family, and I was recently voted one of the top 3 lawyers here in Cobb County, Georgia, along with the law firm being voted one of the top 3 law firms here in Cobb County, Georgia. Well, today we're going to be talking about how to maximize your inheritance. Receiving an inheritance can be both a blessing and a responsibility. Whether you've recently inherited assets or anticipated in the future, managing an inheritance requires careful planning and consideration. This video will provide you a comprehensive guide on how to manage an inheritance effectively, ensuring that you make the most of this significant financial windfall. Before you make any financial decisions, it's essential to understand the nature of your inheritance fully. Inheritances come in various forms, such as cash, real estate, investments, or valuable assets. Take the following steps to assess your inheritance. First, determine the total value of your inheritance, factoring in any taxes, fees, or debts associated with it. Secondly, consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to understand the tax implications of your inheritance. This knowledge will help you plan more effectively. Finally, ensure you have all the necessary legal documentation, such as a will or a trust, to prove your ownership and rights over the inherited assets. If you have outstanding debts, especially high-interest ones like credit card balances or personal loans, consider using a portion of your inheritance to pay them off. Eliminating these debts can free up your financial resources for more productive purposes and reduce financial stress. Establishing or replenishing an emergency fund is crucial to your financial stability. Aim to set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. An emergency fund provides a safety net to cover unexpected expenses, helping you avoid accumulating new debts during challenging times. To make the most of your inheritance, it's essential to set clear financial goals. Your goals may include things like retirement planning. Allocate a portion of your inheritance to retirement accounts, such as a 401k or an individual retirement account, to secure your financial future. Consider a home purchase. If you plan to buy a home, use your inheritance as a down payment or for mortgage prepayments. You can also invest in your education or that of your family members to enhance earning potential in the future. Use your inheritance as seed capital to start a business or invest in a promising venture. You'll also want to consider diversifying your investments. Diversification is key to managing an inheritance wisely. Depending on your financial goals, risk, tolerance, and time horizon, you may consider investing in various assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. Diversification helps spread risk and can lead to more stable long-term returns. Finally, you should seek professional advice. Managing an inheritance can be complex, especially when it involves significant assets or complex financial instruments. Seek the guidance of a qualified financial advisor or attorney who specializes in estate planning. Their expertise can help you make informed decisions that align with your unique financial situation and goals. Also, update your estate plan. An inheritance is an ideal time to revisit and update your estate plan. Ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes when the time comes. This may include updating your will, establishing a trust, or making provisions for charitable giving. Managing an inheritance can be a transformative experience that sets the stage for your financial future. By understanding the nature of your inheritance, addressing debts, setting clear financial goals, diversifying investments, and seeking professional advice, you can make the most of this financial windfall. Remember that your inheritance is not just about preserving wealth, but also about creating a legacy that can benefit you, your family, and your community for years to come. With careful planning and thoughtful decisions, you can ensure your inheritance becomes a stepping stone toward a more secure and prosperous life. Well, that's about all that we have for today. If you've watched our videos for any amount of time, you know that what we do is that we help people plan their estates. And to do that, we've created a book called Estate Planning for the Modern Family. You're going to want to get a copy of this book, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can purchase it for yourself. It is a great starting point for people who are wanting to start the estate planning process. If you want to learn a little bit more about the firm or perhaps schedule a free consultation with us, I'll put a link in the description below where you can reach out to us and we'll help you set up that free consultation. Or you can give us a call here at the office at 678-809-4922. That's 678-809-4922. Again, that's really all that we have to offer for today. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And make sure that you hit the like button because, hey, every like helps.